bitch, you can't fool me. Red reds look like hot sauce, baby, you should wanna come to me. Main bitch in my iPhone, cause these little thoughts in the nudies. Got them teens getting boxed up like a motherfucking pair of Subies. Give me head, bitch, duck, duck, she got purple hair like Uzi. Smoking shit, tryna double shit, put the boot bags in the coochie. Suck it, fuck, I ain't fall in love, baby, don't start no rumors.
Like me so, bitch, you talk too much. I move in the snow. Tell me what's the rush. You don't know me well. I belong in hell. All the shit I did, I'm a trouble kid. You can't break my code. 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 Yeah, you can't break my code. You can't break my code. You can't break my code. You can't break my code.
T.E.O. tryna re-up on everything cause we need it. Flexing with my best friend cause her ex-man got deleted. Other half, you're my better half. I got hella rap on the sneakers. Hella tracks, I got hella raps. I might fuck around and go link 'em. Living better, she can get whatever, baby. Put it all on a visa. On the go when I'm getting dough, nigga, get a slice of the pizza. You ain't shit, you ain't bitch shit, nigga, stop tryna get a feature. Same niggas on that hate shit, they the same niggas still sleeping.
Bitch, you talk too much. I'm moving the snow. Tell me what's the rush. You don't know me well. I belong in hell. All the shit I did, I'm a trouble kid. You can't break my code. 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 Yeah, you can't break my code. You can't break my code. You can't break my code. You can't break my code.
Yeah, Southside suicide keeps him hope. Say you get money, but your number don't show you a liar. Baseball bat, fully wrapped in barbed wire. For anyone that's trying to get fired, I've been thinking a lot. I see these rappers trying to get in my spot. Rob told me, you gotta get it how you live. Tell that bitch you better get up on my pants. Big ol' bread ass hoe with a face like this. You want the issue with no Simo, blow that most no seen the tissue. I got his eyes so I can really do an interview. Don't come close to me, I'm not the one to really do it how it's supposed to be. Independent till I live to get over me. I'm over here with my peers getting rich, point flame before I bring it to the rim, until that bitch don't stain. Ain't no rules to the game, talk how you want, walk how you want. My job is the shit, I used to clean up shit for the rim of the toilet. Now I'm getting money, I don't gotta pick up a pistola, okay, maybe. Cause jealousy make a man go crazy.